Alright traders, this is the midweek trading video. My name is D7 here, Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, February 12th, 2020, and the markets ended the day at all-time record highs. You'll see everybody in bullish territory here doing nice runs to the upside. Crude oil up 3% today. That's huge. Silver down, gold break even, VIX down 9%. We're at 13.7. There's no fear out there. And Bitcoin well over 10,000 dollar. All right, here we look looking at the spider. Spider, I was very, very concerned with this trend line. Today we closed over the top of it. I believe it's trying to heal itself. We're going higher on dissipating volume, but we're above all major moving averages, and those moving averages are going higher. So all seems to be well on the S&P 500. The diamonds, we closed right at a trend line. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, we're right at it, right at it. So if you look here, you know what? Let me see something. Yeah, okay. So support there, resist or support here, support here. It broke it. Now it's resistance. Yeah, so the diamonds are at resistance. It needs to break up through here. Tomorrow's kind of important there. NASDAQ is up, broke resistance 3 days ago and just keeps climbing, doing really well. Russell's 2,000 still hasn't come back to its previous high. You see this? A little laggy here. But it is going higher, and it is above the moving averages. Just a little more choppy, and the volume just is very light. Financials popped up. We have a couple bars higher than the rest of them, above moving averages, but dealing with these trend lines. So it's just, and look how low the volume has been in the last 4 or 5 trading sessions. Just very, very anemic. And U.S. dollar looking strong. That's putting weight on the, commodities and the stocks as a whole. That remains to look strong. And crude oil looks like it could be a W. Do you see this? If I go to a line chart, see the W for winter or wow or whatever. So that could be putting in a bottom there. So crude oil could be a buy. And I like the volume down here in the lower part. Could be partially capitulation. And silver is at the 50% of Fibonacci. We found support there last time we were there. Even though it's under a lot of the moving averages, this is still a big, healthy looking bull flag. And gold broke down below a support line. That's relatively weak here. That's something that I'm watching. VIX is just down below moving averages. And again, we're only at 13.7. There's just no fear out there. And Bitcoin is now over 10,000 with some good volume prints taking place here. And a quick look at tech stocks. Apple closed at today's high base. Look for that to keep going higher. AMD looks like it's really good. Wait for a pullback. Amazon's up. Very extended. This is sell time for Amazon. Take profits. Wait for it to pull back and look for another entry. Baba is chopping around. Wait for that one. Baidu, fine, whatever. Booking, stay away. Cisco is doing just fine. Catfish is a buy. eBay could be a buy soon. Facebook, stay away from. Google looks good. Looks good. GoPro, stay away from. Microsoft. I could see perhaps some covered calls on this one. MU, stay away from. Netflix, looking good. Nvidia, looking good. Oracle, looking, okay. PayPal, looking for a buy opportunity. Shopify had earnings, big pop. Wait for a setup, but that could be a long for sure. Snap, look to short that. Tesla, that is a long play. Look to go long on Tesla. Twitter is a play for a long. Guys, I want to show you something. If you go to Grok Trade and go to Trading Mentor, if you look here at the top, this is a special we're doing. If you apply to chat with John about our mentorship program, I'm going to give you 12 months free of the very popular hot stock picks v newsletter. That means each week you get a stock picks on the bull side and the bear side each week. As a matter of fact, I'll be doing the next 2 weeks because Mark is in Israel for the next 2 weeks. So chat room is going to be, everybody's pitching in to help out with the stock picks in the chat room for the next 2 weeks. Anyway, couple things. It's for the US and Canada. You got to have a trading account more than 10,000. Okay. Outside, if you meet those criteria and you do want to know about our mentoring, our mentorship, if you want to know about that, fill out the form. You'll do a call with us to talk about the mentorship, and you will get 1 free year of this. It's a 1-year subscription, and we give you the first 365 days free. So that's Grok Trade and Trading a Mentor. And if you want to know what the stock picks are, if you click on stock picks, you can go here and read all about the stock picks yourself. As you can see, we sell it for $300 for annual or $30 a month. You can get it free. Okay. If you do a phone call with it. So there you have it. Hope you guys are well, and I hope you enjoyed the midweek video. If so, give me a thumbs up and tell me if you like it. So I read all your comments, and I chuckle at them, I laugh at them. And other ones are thinkers, and other ones get me thinking about things. It's like, ooh, that's a great concept. Other ones, I just love you guys. So hope you're well. Okay, get you there. Bye.